I can't believe we didn't get any more rain than what we did. Well, they're going to get away from that though. See, they got a split row. Yeah, they're still making ridges. Well, Brett said this year they weren't. They said, see, they got that split row bean planter. And that.
So they're planting corn.
Yeah, that's corn. Yeah. You all see that 24 row split row 15-inch row bean planter. It's the exact same width, but it's got double rows on it. It's got twice the amount of rows. But God, that thing is so heavy. What's that? These? You mean these corn planters?
Yeah, remember it wasn't putting fertilizer?
Well, it's still not right.
No, it's still not right.
Well, see, that one reason why they're getting rid of the ridges is because, see, on their 8-row planters, they had 4 fertilizer applicators on one side and 4 on the other side. So it'd even itself out. All 12 of these are on one side of the row unit. So you can't keep the planter up on the ridge.
Keep the planter on the ridge.
No, it wants to pull it down off the ridge because it's all on one side of the row unit.